Another website we can use to find sound clips is called soundjax.com. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.soundjax.com. You can select from any of the popular searches or use the sound search box to type in your topic. Then select Sound Search. I have found a variety of dolphin sounds here. As you can see in the lower right-hand corner, it shows you how long the sound lasts. In the lower left-hand corner is a play button you can use to preview the sound. When you find a sound clip you like, select the MP3 icon to download and save the file. Again, navigate to your desktop folder we called Audio Files. Name your sound. And select Save. Then we can navigate out to our desktop folder, Audio Files, and see that our second sound has been saved. In the next lesson, you will learn how to insert these audio files onto a PowerPoint slide.